y'all? Welcome or welcome back to your girl's channel. It's your girl Shauna B, and I'm back with another video. So it is Vlogmas day 3. Oh, I got 4 fingers. It's day 3, and your girl haven't been posting, but we're gonna start posting and get into the Christmas spirit. You see, I got my little Christmas hat. I should throw it on. Oh, my elephant's dog. Let's throw on the hat. But yeah, we about to set up the Christmas tree. Today's Sunday, December 3rd, 2023. We're gonna throw up the Christmas tree. I'm about to eat some food, and that's gonna be the video. And then during the week, we're gonna have some lit vlogs, some challenges. I know you want to see challenges. A lot of y'all here on, like, my subscribers, y'all here for pranks, and I'm gonna start getting back into it. So yeah, we're gonna head out to the Christmas tree. And a little check-in. How y'all feeling? I haven't checked in with y'all in a minute. Like, how y'all feeling? I hope nothing but positivity. Y'all stay blessed, stay everything that's great, okay? Oh, this sweater is comfy. Ooh. I don't think y'all can see it, but we got on our little comfy sweater. We about to do the Christmas tree ends. Oh, y'all saw my hair. It's been breaking, right? Hold on. My hair has been breaking bad. Because I haven't been oiling it. I haven't been taking care of it. I've been throwing it up into these ponytails. Like, what's wrong with me? And I know I bleached my hair. Pulling out, and it's time to get your girl hair done. Look at my eyes. Bye-bye. Damn. All right. So, let's go head out and do this Christmas tree. So, Vlogmas day 3. I be putting up 4 fingers here. Hold on. So, Vlogmas day 3. So, let's get into it. And if you're new, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and back up with your girl, because we here. And if y'all been here with me, keep liking it up and share my videos, because I love y'all. We here. I like my shoes. I like my cow feet. The Christmas tree. This is heavy. This don't come with no screws or nothing? It don't come with screws? Is it? Oh. You laughing at? Yo, look what we did. We put the middle one at the bottom, and that's the bottom one. Let's go right here. I realized the tree got no lights, and the lights are somewhere in the side. Really?
Seconds to Trinidad, pick up the whole of them. Come on, again, anything I do. Finger the time, seeing calamity. I say we shoot out the and figure Canada G. Make them have an experience, no gravity. Let's see. So me stay sharp. When I play that, do we get it one time in the same spot? Like I.
Look at this, y'all. This just start.
Let's see. 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 Let's see.
Alright, y'all. We have a whole backdrop of Christmas trees and everything. So cute. Y'all seen that? And here we have the Christmas tree. Your girl worked real hard on this. You'll see we got the little butterflies and everything. Candy canes. Super cute. All the way around. Y'all see the back? We didn't leave anything untouched. We got the little elf here. That's so cute. And we got the little half lights, you know what I'm saying? Got the little fireplace going with another Christmas tree. Yeah. I have to clear it for y'all. But yeah, here we go. So, as y'all see, we got the little Christmas vibe set up and it's Vlogmas, baby. So, I thank y'all for tuning in with me. And if you like this video, make sure you like, share, subscribe. And this was Vlogmas Day 3. But before we go, let me show y'all what we got for dinner. Because your girl worked on the street for like an hour, okay? So, here we got some rice and peas, some cheese potatoes, and we got some stewed chicken. So, stay tuned with your girl, and I love each and every single one of you. If you new, welcome. If you back again, you back again, and I love you. So, I love all of y'all, and stay tuned for Vlogmas Day 4, and it's a real, you see my tree. Love you. Stay tuned.